Let's start clause. What is a clause? A clause is a group of related words that contains a subject and a verb. Example, he plays football regularly. There are two types of clauses. First one is independent clause. This clause is also called main clause. Next one is dependent clause. This clause is also called as subordinate clause. An independent clause can stand alone. It can express a complete thought. A dependent clause cannot stand alone. It cannot express a complete thought. It depends on the main clause. Example, my friend wrote a novel. Main clause. It expresses a complete thought. Next example, I will go to the market if you come with me. I will go to the market. Main clause. If subordinator. You come with me. Subordinate clause. Subordinate clause depends to main clause. A subordinator can join two clauses into one. Subordinate conjunctions and relative pronoun is used as subordinator. Clause. There are two types of clauses, main clause and subordinate clause. Subordinate clause is divided into three: noun clause, adjective clause, adverb clause. What is an adverb clause? A group of words which contains a subject and predicate of its own and does the work of an adverb. What is an adjective clause? It qualifies the noun and includes subject and a verb. What is a noun clause? A group of words which contains a subject and predicate of its own and does the work of a noun. Next, given the list of subordinating conjunctions that make adverbial clause. Adverb clauses of time. Conjunctions used when, while, as, whenever, as soon as, till, until, before, since, after. Example, as I was walking along the road, I slipped and fell. Here conjunctions used as. It is used in the beginning of a sentence. Next, adverb clauses of place. Conjunctions used here were, wherever. Example, the purse lay where it had fallen. Next, adverb clauses of manner. Conjunctions used as if, as though. Example, plants breathe as animals do. Next, adverb clauses of reason or cause. Conjunctions used as, because, since, seeing that, now that. Example, now that you are old enough, comma, you should be able to support yourself. Here conjunction, now that. It is used in the beginning of a sentence. After the sentence, put comma. Punctuation is important here. Next, adverb clauses of purpose. Conjunctions used that, so that, in order that, lest. Example, write it down lest you forget it. Next, adverb clauses of result or consequence. Conjunctions used so that, such that. Example, he was so weak that he could not walk. Next, adverb clauses of concession. Conjunctions used though, although, even though, even if. Example, although he ran fast, he missed the train. Conjunctions used here although. After the sentence put comma. Next, adverb clauses of comparison. Conjunctions used here than, as, so as, such as. Example, she is older than most of her companions are. Next, adverb clauses of condition. Conjunctions used if, unless, so long as long as, on condition that, in case. Example, if you work hard, comma, you will succeed. Here conjunctions used if in the beginning of a sentence, after that put comma. Subordinating conjunctions are used to join adverbial clause with the main clause. Next, given some questions. Change the main clause into adverb clause. In these questions, two main clauses given. We want to change one of the main clause into adverb clause by using the conjunctions. Raghu is my neighbor. He does not speak to me. Though Raghu is my neighbor, comma, he does not speak to me. The conjunctions used here though, after the sentence put comma. Next question, his eyesight is poor. He cannot read even large letters. Answer, his eyesight is poor that he cannot read even large letters. Next question, I am suffering from headache. I am not able to go to office. Answer, as I am suffering from headache, comma, I am not able to go to office. Here conjunctions used as in the beginning of a sentence. After that put comma. So punctuation is important in such cases. Next question. Are you going out? Will you buy me a copy of the employment news? Answer. Will you buy me a copy of the employment news if you are going out? Next we are going to discuss about adjective clause. What is an adjective clause? It describes the noun. Relative pronoun is used to join main clause with adjective clause. Some of the relative pronoun is given below. That, whom, whomever, which, whose, what, who, whoever, whatever. When an adjective clause denotes a place, time or reason, starts with adverb, verb, when, why. One example, no one knows the reason why he did it. One more example, these are the boys who represent the college. Here, who relative pronoun. It combines the main clause with the adjective clause. Next, some of the questions are given below. Change the main clause into adjective clause. First question, some people live in glass houses. They should not throw stones. How can we join these main clause? Answer, people who live in glass house should not throw stones. Here we use relative pronoun who to join these two main clauses. Next, two main clauses is given. Next question, he was born in a village. He died in the same village. How to change this? By using relative pronoun. Answer, he died in the same village in which he was born. Next question, the dog barks. It does not bite. The dog that barks does not bite. Here the conjunction pronoun used is that. You took some books from me. When are you going to return them? Answer is, when are you going to return the books that you took from me? Next we are going to discuss about noun clause. What is a noun clause? A group of words which contains a subject and predicate of its own and does the work of a noun. Noun clause is started with a conjunction that. Start a noun clause with a what, who, which, when, if, whether. One example, I asked Ramu if he was coming with me. Next given some questions.